Welcome to the future of living room design. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting design elements that can instantly elevate your space: the living room accent wall. Just take a look at this stunning, modern interior. Notice how the accent wall grabs your attention right away? In 2025, accent walls are more than just a splash of paint. They're bold, expressive, and central to the entire aesthetic of your home. Whether you're working with a living room wall design with TV or want to transform a simple space with living room wall painting ideas, accent walls are your go-to design feature. So, what's trending in 2025? We're going beyond the ordinary. Accent walls have evolved from basic color contrasts to immersive experiences. Welcome to the world of experiential design, where your walls don't just sit there, they speak. From living room wall texture designs to 3D patterns and even digital wallscapes, homeowners are turning flat surfaces into dynamic focal points. One major trend we're seeing is the shift towards sustainable materials. Think reclaimed wood panels, bamboo textures, and eco-friendly paints that not only look great but are also kind to the planet. If you're looking for living room wall design with wood, 2025 is the perfect time to embrace natural textures. And speaking of texture, texture takes center stage this year. More and more designers are layering in tactile materials to bring depth and character to the space. From 3D wall panels to woven fabric hangings and textured wallpaper, these elements add richness you can both see and feel. Lighting also plays a crucial role. With the right living room accent lighting, you can emphasize texture, cast dramatic shadows, and bring out all those intricate details in the wall finish. Especially in setups like a living room TV accent wall, thoughtful lighting can create a cozy, cinematic atmosphere. Now let's talk color, because in 2025, it's all about embracing a spectrum of possibilities. Trending living room accent wall colors range from soothing earthy tones to daring jewel shades and unexpected contrasts. Whether you're drawn to the moody sophistication of a living room with black accent wall, or experimenting with vibrant greens or terracotta, color is your secret weapon to set the tone of the room. Remember, color isn't just decoration, it's psychology. Warm tones bring energy, cool hues promote calm, and bold shades add drama. And with the right living room wall color combination, you can completely redefine your space. So, how do you go from inspiration to implementation? Start by identifying the purpose of your accent wall. Is it highlighting a fireplace? Creating focus behind a sofa? Or maybe you're designing a DIY living room accent wall idea to showcase art or shelving. Think about the existing style of your home, then choose materials and hues that either complement or boldly contrast. Don't forget, accent walls aren't just for the living room. If you're exploring dining room accent wall ideas, many of these same principles apply, especially when you want to add a touch of sophistication or drama to your dining space. For those leaning into more unique styles, consider living room wall tiles design, living room wallpaper ideas, or even living room wall design Indian style for a culturally rich aesthetic. If you're designing from scratch, check out the latest Living Room Wall Design 2025 inspirations for a future forward look. In the end, your living room wall design should be a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. Whether you're after something modern, rustic, bold, or serene, the perfect accent wall will help you tell your story, one wall at a time. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite living room wall design ideas. Let us know. Are you going bold with color, diving into texture, or keeping it classic with a sleek wood finish? Thanks for watching, and here's to transforming your space, one accent wall at a time.